Let's have a look now at the icon menu wizard. Now there's one of these for both panel drawings and for schematic drawings. I'm in the schematic tab at the moment on the ribbon, and if I go over here to other tools right at the end here and click there, you can see there's the icon menu wizard there. Same with panel, there's the icon menu wizard there again in the other tools panel. I'm going to use the schematic tab this time because I've got a schematic in the drawing there. That's my icon menu wizard drawing that I've set up. So let's add that first to the project. So select the project, right click, add the active drawing. Yes to that, and that updates, and the sheet number is correct, 006. Schematic tab on the ribbon, as I mentioned earlier, and then over to other tools here, and icon menu wizard. I want to edit a particular menu file for my icon menu. So it's going to be schematic, which is use default here, ACEIEC menu.dat. I don't want the panel one, I want the schematic one because I'm using the schematic tab. Click on OK, and it looks remarkably familiar, doesn't it? It looks just like the icon menu. It is, but we're in the wizard. See at the top there? I'm going to go into miscellaneous and into user circuits. And you'll see there's a whole load of user circuits in place already. I'm going to add a new circuit, so I go add circuit there. And the name of this one will be icon menu wizard. And what we'll do, we'll use lowercase there. It looks better on the actual icon menu itself, like so. And the image file, well, I don't have an image file right now. So what I can do, I can browse for one. Nothing in there, so I'll cancel that. I can pick one. I can pick a block if I want to, or something like that. That's if I'm adding just one particular component to the icon menu for schematics. I'm not, so I'm going to hit escape there. I'm going to use the active view. And you'll notice now you can see the view of our circuit in our drawing, and the image file has the name of the drawing. I'm going to create a PNG from that current screen image. And then I'm going to zoom in. Notice I'm zoomed in already there, nice and neatly, so I'll press enter. That's all up to speed. Circuit name to insert. So is there a file name that I need here? I can browse for one. And I can browse for a drawing. I don't need to because it's already in the drawing. I can go active and it finds the file name straight away. So it's all ready to go. All I've got to do is click on OK. It tells me there's one already in there, a PNG. That's no problem. I'll say yes to overwriting that. And there's my icon menu wizard. So I've got a new circuit that I can add from the icon menu. So I'll click on OK there now. And that's in the icon menu ready to be used. I'm just going to zoom out now and just move my circuit down a bit like that. I now go back to the schematic tab, click on icon menu, go to miscellaneous here and user circuits, and there's my icon menu wizard. So circuit scale, I want that to be 1. Move all lines to wire layers, keep any fixed wire numbers, and so on and so forth. I'm going to update the circuit's text layers as required. Click on OK, and there's my new circuit. So what I've done there is I've taken a circuit I've already created and put it into the icon menu wizard so that I can use it over and over again. Saves me having to recreate that circuit all the time. It's the same with any symbol component that you create on a schematic drawing. You can also do this for your panels. So once you've got a panel layout organized and in place, you can go to the icon menu wizard for panels, and then that panel layout can be used over and over again. I'm just going to drop this as close as possible to that one for now. You'll notice it's updating and doing a wire cleanup, and you'll notice it's cleaning up the wires. The reason it's cleaning up the wires there is it's adhering to the project settings. It's not a problem. What I'll do there is I'll just do a regen, just to check that it hasn't removed anything it shouldn't have. And you can see it's regenerating the model, and that's the way it's come through in this particular case, because it's tidied up those wires that it thought it didn't need. Not a problem. We don't have to do that cleanup if we don't want to. We can change that in the settings when we insert the block itself, or in this case, the circuit. But that's the icon menu wizard in AutoCAD Electrical. It's very neat because you can replicate things that you've used again and again, and it makes you more productive and more efficient.